Welcome back to Onerai. In this video we are exploring the exciting news about the WhatsApp latest update. Title: WhatsApp unveils exciting new web feature. WhatsApp Web now allows users to post status updates directly from their web browser, including text, images, and videos. This new feature is currently available to beta testers in the official testing program, with wider access expected in the coming weeks. The update enhances the texting experience, providing flexibility and privacy with end-to-end encryption for shared status updates. Users can now conveniently share status updates without relying on their primary smartphones, expanding accessibility. WhatsApp's commitment to secure and private communication extends to the web, offering a seamless experience for users worldwide.